In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can use the battery saver feature on your laptop. Okay, so let's get started, especially on your Windows 11. So click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to simply click on system. Scroll down and you can find power and battery. Click on that. So enabling the battery saver, this is the easiest way to make your battery life longer. Okay, so here we can find the option energy saver, reduce power consumption and increase battery life by limiting some background activities. So currently this is enabled on my Windows. So in your case, if this is turned off, you just need to simply turn on the button always use energy saver and lower screen brightness. When using energy saver, you can switch the toggle or you can switch the buttons on from here, and that's it. That's how you can easily use the energy saver feature on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.